right, open your box. What's inside? Oh.
Mama, can you open this?
Oh, I can. Let's get a closer look. What is it? You tell me what it is.
Blippi.
Blippi! You love Blippi!
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's an Easter egg. You can store your glasses. How many glasses do you have? 5 glasses. They can all fit in there. Ooh, and one more. You just got a new one, a Blippi sunglasses. What else is in there? Is that a beach blanket? Wow. Whoa, you got a Blippi sunglasses case? Blippi glasses. And a case. Do you want to take off your sunglasses and we'll put the new ones on?
Blippi.